Hello there, world traveling rail fans, and welcome to our channel here on YouTube. Here we try to take you to different and exciting places anytime we can. Today we take you to Greece, a country in southeastern Europe with a population of 10.7 million people. Greece is located at the crossroad of Europe, Asia, and Africa. There we will take a look at a train station built in 1884. The Volos train station is located in the important port city of Volos, Greece. The port and harbor of Volos is built on Pagasetic Gulf of the Aegean Sea. Our video today was provided by Felitza from her YouTube channel, Fishing with Felitza. Thank you, Felitza, for providing such amazing footage of the station. And thanks also to Pantil HS4. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but on the YouTube you're understanding aerial footage of the train station along with the city and harbor of Volos. So let's join Felitza now and see what she has to show us. You ready, guys? Here we go!
Thanks for watching. Welcome to our video for today, guys. This video was actually shot by my friend Felitza. You can find her channel on YouTube called Fishing with Felitza. Now, take a look here. This is a hand car used to inspect and repair the railroad by the railroad crews. You push and pull on that lever in the middle and it propels the little car forward. And over here is a telephone booth. When's the last time you seen one of those? We haven't seen those in the US for years. Oh, and Felitza, if you're listening, call me. Now, this is the train station in Volos. It's the Volos Railway Station, built in 1884. We're going to take a walk around the end of it here and have a better look at it. Across the tracks from there is a railway yard for freight trains where they stack trains and do all that. And there's your water fill in case you bring a steam locomotive along and want to fill your water tender. We're going to take a walk here along the tracks toward the station. That's it, off to your right there, the yellow building with the white trim. Beautiful building. Hard to believe it's almost 140 years old now. Can you believe that? Take a walk over here to the left where you can see the railroad side of it a little bit. Some of the freight cars stored across the tracks from the station, where they hook them up and rearrange them and do all that to get them to their destination. We'll get a little closer to the station here. Now, the Volos Railway Station in Volos, Greece, is located within the city itself near the harbor. Volos is an important port city near the Pagasetic Gulf on the Aegean Sea. The station was opened on 22nd of April, 1884, with an inauguration led by King George. The station building was designed by the Italian Evaristo de Chirico. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Soon after the liberation of Central Greece from the Ottomans. Now just take a closer look at this building. It's Eastern European tall doors, ornately decorated planters out front. And look at that flooring. That is just absolutely beautiful, matching the stone used for the railway over there. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And what a view of the railway yard, if you like that sort of thing, and I do. Some of the nearby buildings. And some maintenance of way equipment used for maintaining the railroad. You might see that again. Now look at the front of this building. It's from the track view side, and it says Volos at the top in Greek and in English. Now, wait a minute. I was going to, let's go back to the left here. I was just going to say there's always a pretty girl waiting on a train, or maybe some lucky guy who's getting off the train. Now this Volos Railway Station still operates today with 3 daily local trains to nearby Larissa. And as you can see, folks are waiting on their train today. Very popular and very much used. Here comes our train now. Isn't that a beautiful passenger train? All those people eager to get on. Lining up. Beautifully decorated by some of the local graffiti artists. I'm sure. And as always, Smith is always a pretty girl waiting to get on her train, or maybe waiting for someone to get on. I see that all the time. Here's another look from a different view at the station. We finish this look. Well, we've got a little something else in store for you. How about we take an overhead flight and get you an aerial view of the train station here. You guys all in for that? So here's where Megan says, "Alright guys, here we go guys." Enjoy the view.
so much everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed our great adventure for today. And please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you will never miss our next and more adventures. Once again, this is Megan Galyogo with Starbright Productions. Bye-bye for now! Mwah.